This is Charlie Trains again. We're running 3 trains at the same time. Got the Santa Fe, Lionel pulling beer cars, Pabst, Coors, Miller Lite, and Ham. We have the Delaware and Hudson pulling pop cars, 2 Delaware root beer cars, Crush and Pepsi. We got the Coca-Cola train going, pulling Coca-Cola, Thea, Sprite, Cab, and Coca-Cola Caboose at the end. And if everybody would, if you can subscribe to me at YouTube and put down Charlie's with Apostrophe S Trains 9169, I appreciate it. And I hope everybody has a great day, and thank you for watching. Thank you.